Topic: DNA. The Code of Life. Aims of lesson. At the end of this lesson you should be able to know the following: the location of DNA and the discovery of DNA. Introduction. Revise the cell structure covered in grade 10 with emphasis on the ribosome, cytoplasm and parts of the nucleus. Also revise nucleic acids that were covered in grade 10. Concepts and skills. Revise the cell structure and the structure of the nucleus that were covered in grade 10. Cytoplasm. Organelles are suspended in the cytoplasm of a cell. Some of the cytoplasm is in a liquid form and some is in a jelly-like state. Functions. The cytoplasm stores substances. It allows for metabolic reactions to take place. Know the meaning of instructional verbs in test and examination questions, e.g. Instructional verb. Meaning. Name. Give the name of something. Differentiate. Use differences to qualify between two or more categories. Tabulate. Draw a table and indicate the answers as direct pairs. Describe. State in sentences the main points of a process. Explain. Give your answer in a cause-effect or statement and reason sequence. Compare. Give similarities and differences between concepts. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are small round structures that occur in plant and animal cells. Ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or are free-floating in the cytoplasm. It consists of RNA and proteins. Function. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Structure of the nucleus. Nucleus. The nucleus consists of a double nuclear membrane with pores which allow for the passage of substances in and out of the nucleus, the nucleoplasm, the nucleolus, and tangled threads known as the chromatin network. The chromatin network shortens and thickens to form chromosomes when a cell divides. Functions. The nucleus controls the activities of the cell. The chromosomes carry hereditary characteristics. Two kinds of nucleic acids are found in a cell, namely DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids consist of nucleotides. Location of DNA. DNA is mainly located in the nucleus where it forms part of the chromatin network. Chromosomes are thread-like structures in the nucleus and composed of DNA that is wrapped around proteins, called histones. A small amount of DNA occurs outside the nucleus, in the mitochondria of plant and animal cells as well as chloroplasts of plant cells. A short segment of a DNA molecule coding for a specific inherited characteristic is known as a gene. Brief history of the discovery of DNA. 1952, Rosalind Franklin and her assistant Maurice Wilkins researched the structure of DNA using X-ray diffraction images. Watson and Crick did independent research on DNA. Watson and Crick proposed the 3D double helix model for DNA in 1953. 1962, Watson and Crick received the Nobel Prize for the discovery of the structure of DNA, and Wilkins received an award for his X-ray photography. Common errors made by learners in examinations. Unable to answer questions based on DNA location and history of DNA. Unable to make appropriate drawings and label diagrams. Activities/assessment. Complete the questions on the location and discovery of DNA in your textbook. Consolidation. Work through the questions on DNA using past examination papers. Reflect on your learning and understanding of this topic and assess your progress. Values. By studying this section, you will develop an awareness of the history of scientific discoveries and their relevance to society. You will also develop an ability to critically evaluate and debate scientific issues and processes. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and most importantly subscribe to the channel.